Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have Fox, Key, and Snake. My God, in your circumstances today, guys, Sagittarius, you feel that you cannot trust anyone or any circumstance, maybe in your work or in your relationship. Circumstances are unfolding in such a way you feel cornered or stuck, unable to decide something for yourself, maybe because you do not have clarity, guys, Sagittarius. So, whatever needs to be done, you don't have that focus. So, there are some distractions you are seeing, and maybe some opportunities or some paths in your work or maybe in your relationship. This person, maybe they look like someone you can trust, but a truth is different. Maybe they are quite charming and they speak sweet words, but this person cannot be trusted. And even in your work situation, some offers are coming your way, opportunities maybe, but you feel that you cannot trust these opportunities to lead you towards success or prosperity, because there are a lot of things that are not clear with these choices. So, some lack of clarity, and there are people against you, guys, Sagittarius. So, in your work situation, maybe, or maybe in your personal life, they are acting like your friend or a family. Maybe they are giving you certain suggestions, but it is not for your good. They may have their own agenda. They are, what to say, having their welfare in their heart, not yours, and they are not concerned about you. And you need to be careful, guys, Sagittarius, even in this relationship. Maybe the reason we have these cards, I feel that it may be because you do not know this person deeply. Maybe you have just met them and you have known them only for a short time now. That may be the reason we see that this person is quite selfish, not concerned about you, and they are not at all worried about you. Maybe they are just in this relationship with you and they do not have that attachment or that deep bond towards you, guys, Sagittarius. Maybe they are what to say, least bit bothered about you. But things are going to change for you, guys. Maybe whatever you need, maybe whatever clarity you are expecting, or maybe the truth or some kind of a missing thing in your work, whatever it is, you are going to reach that. Because this card here, that is a very positive card. And maybe all that negatives we were talking about, all that is changing today, guys, Sagittarius. So with this card, I feel that even this person's attitude, maybe they are not quite concerned about you now, but in time they will start understanding you and they will what to say, start reciprocating your emotions, whatever you show them. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card and it is fish. So with this card, maybe for some of you, you have some obsessive thinking or obsessive behavior. It may even be some kind of an addiction you have. And maybe you are thinking too much of this person and expecting too much of them. That may be the reason you feel really worried. Maybe you need to give this relationship time, guys. That may be the reason for some worry, or you feel that they are least bit bothered about you, because your expectations are too high, maybe for some of you. And when our expectations are too high, it is too difficult to meet those standards. So that may be the reason for troubles in this relationship. So you need to go for moderation, maybe have that practical knowledge or have that practical eye. So think of the circumstance from their point of view also. Then you will see it more clearly, guys. And Sagittarius, for your career circumstance, we have Scythe. So in your work situation, guys, whatever doubts or confusion or some kind of lack of clarity, whatever it was, or whatever troubles were there, all that is coming to an end today, guys. So you are going to be really happy and feel peaceful even in your relationship, whatever problems you were facing, guys, because this card stands for ending. So if we have a problem, or if the cards denote something negative, so this card stands for ending of those negative circumstances. So your difficulties are coming to an end, Sagittarius, in your work and in your relationship. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Sagittarius, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love Reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it says breathe. So with this card, in your circumstances today, guys, this is not the time for you to make any decisions. Maybe you are rushing into something, you want to make some choice and move forward, make that next step or decide something for yourself, but this may not be the right time for that. This is the time for you to just wait, and in this relationship or in your career situation, whatever it is, release that anxiety you are feeling, stress you are having today, and take a deep breath. Let nature take its own course. See where things are going today, guys, for you all. So in this relationship, you need to give time for that heart to open. Maybe you have faced a lot in your life, you have seen a lot of circumstances. This is the time for you to just enjoy the moment, and your heart will know what your intellect is often resisting, guys. So what you truly feel in your heart of heart, you need to follow that today, and patience will always pay off in more meaningful ways, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So this is the time for you to just have that trust in your heart for that brighter, happier future, and have that patience, and maybe meditate if you are interested in meditation. If you are someone interested in that practice, you can go for it, guys. That is going to help you a lot today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says obsession. So in your circumstances today, guys, you have some unhealthy attachment, maybe to something, maybe to a person, to a circumstance or a habit, and it is simply slaving you. It is making you really anxious over certain things, and it is really making your life difficult day by day. So you need to take steps to free yourself from this compulsion you have, and you need to take back the power. So this obsession is holding on to you. It's just making you do things, and it is it may be something which you love to do in the beginning, but right now it is something like an addiction, and it is taking your time and energy, and it is really difficult on you, stressing you a lot. So you need to cut yourself free. This could be painful or difficult, guys, trying to free yourself from this habit or from this compulsion you have. But you need to free yourself to enjoy life in a more in a wholesome way today, and it will be a whole lot wiser on your part to do that, guys. And maybe you can ask people to help you, and you can also help people. Maybe there is someone in your life with some compulsive behavior. It may be your friend or a family member. So it is your duty to help this person, help them come out of this compulsion, and you need to try and give up this unhealthy attachment you have, maybe towards some, it may even be some habits we have, guys, or some kind of a silly compulsion, something we follow, do again and again in a ritualistic way, something we can just avoid. We will get back the time and energy we are wasting in those habits or in this compulsive behavior. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.